Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Maya-side Easter egg in Black Ops 6 Zombies. To begin this unique quest, you must first select Maya as your operator in the pre-game lobby. This is a crucial step, as the Easter egg is exclusive to her. Once Maya is selected, load into the Citadel des Morts map and make your way directly to the dining hall. This specific quest typically activates around round 12 or later, so be prepared for some initial gameplay. Once you've reached the dining hall, your next objective is to locate the radio. It's usually situated on a table right next to the Vulture Aid perk machine. Pay close attention for a distinct Morse code signal or observe if a green light is illuminated on the radio, indicating it's active. Interact with the radio, and Maya will engage in a compelling conversation with Franco, which is the key to unlocking the next crucial step of this exciting quest. Following Maya's dialogue with Franco, a previously locked door right beside the radio will now become accessible. Interact with this door to enter a secret cellar area. Be ready for a challenging mini-boss encounter, as this confined space is filled with numerous vermin and powerful doppelgasts. Having at least one pack-a-punched weapon is highly recommended to significantly improve your chances of survival and efficiently clear out the enemies in this tight environment. Continue your journey through the cellar until you confront the elite doppelgast, Lauren. This formidable enemy must be defeated to obtain a crucial key. Once you have the key, proceed to the very end of the hallway and interact with the final door. This action will trigger an exclusive and impactful cutscene, concluding Maya's personal quest. As a well-deserved reward for completing this challenging Easter egg, you will receive a powerful legendary GS-45 pistol.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.